Hello children, welcome to GK class. Today we are going to study parts of the body. Can you see this board here? Nice, no children? See, we are going to study one by one. See, this is face. This is face. In face you can say eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, hair, head, ears. Okay. Next is neck. This is neck. Face, neck. See this? What it is, children? These are hands. We have two hands. We have two hands. What you do with your hands? We can do work, we can write, we can eat. All the work has been done with hands. Okay. Fingers. These are fingers. All together we have 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. 5 and 5. Total 10 fingers we have. Okay. Next. These are legs. These are legs. In this portion is called foot. 1 foot. 2 feet. Plural is feet. Foot. This is heel. Heel. This is heel. And these are toes. 5 on each leg. 5 and 5. 10 toes. 10 fingers. 2 eyes. 1 nose. This is stomach. This is stomach. Okay, children? And you know about sense organ, children? 5 sense organs you have already studied. Eyes to see, nose to smell, ears to hear, with tongue you can taste, and skin you can feel. If somebody touches you, you can feel, no children? That is due to the sense which you are getting, that is the skin. Okay, 5 sense organs. These are different parts of the body. Now we will study in your book. All of you open your awareness skill book. Awareness skill book, page number 2. Page number 2. See here, children, a nice activity they have given here. We'll read first. My body. Look at the picture and write the correct parts of the body from the help box. This is help box. This is for your reference. They have written the parts of the body here. Let's read. Head, neck, face, hand, leg, finger, feet. Okay. First you have to see. They have given the arrow here. So which part it is? This is head. This is head. H-E-A-D, head. You are going to write it here. H-E-A-D. Head. Now, what is this, children? What is this? Yes? Yes, this is neck. Mama will wear necklace, no? Yes, this is neck. So write your neck. N-E-C-K, neck. You have to copy it. N-E-C-K, neck. Next. This is a hand. Hand. Where is hand, children? Neck we have finished. H-A-N-D, hand. So write here H-A-N-D, hand. Now this. This is leg. This is leg. But this portion is called feet. What you must say? Feet. F. Here it is. F-E-E-T. F-E-E-T. Feet. Next. This is called, yes, face. F-A-C-E. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. These are fingers. These are fingers. See here, finger they have given. You should write that only. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. And this is leg. Where is leg, children? L-E-G, leg. Write here L-E G, leg. So we'll read once again. Head, neck, hand, feet, face, finger, leg. You have to learn the spelling also, children. Now the next activity. This is about sense organs. You already studied in LKG also sense organs. We will do this activity. Okay. Match the sense organs which helps you know that pictures they have given, sense organs they have given. You have to match according to that. Eye. What we do with the eye, children? We see with our eyes. So, eyes is cold, elephant is big, phone is ringing, flower smells nice, candy is sweet. These things they have given. With eye we can see elephant is big. So, you have to match eye with elephant. Next sense organ is nose. What you will do with the nose? Flower smells nice. You will smell with the nose. So you are going to match the nose picture with the flower. Skin. What is the purpose of the skin? Yes, we can feel. When you have skin on your body, you can feel. Ice is cold. When someone places ice on your hand, you will feel cold, no children? So you are going to match the skin with the ice is cold. Next one is tongue. Candy is sweet. You can taste with the tongue that the candy is sweet. If you are holding the candy in the hand, can you taste whether it is sweet or sour? No, children. Tongue will tell you whether it is sweet or not. So you are going to match tongue with candy is sweet. And last one is ear. Phone is ringing. When your mobile phone rings, you can hear with your ear. So you are going to match ear with the phone is ringing. Understood, children, how to do matching? So these 2 pages you are going to complete it today. Okay, children, meet you in the next class. Thank you and bye-bye.